Welcome to homework.
Okay, so we had 6.25 grams of barium chloride, and we got 5.84 grams of barium sulfate. So the question is, what was our theoretical yield? What should have we gotten? And then what was our percent yield? What did we get relative to that theoretical yield? How do we figure this out? Well, we need to figure out how many moles of barium we had, because that was our limiting reagent. And once we figure out how many moles of barium we had, we simply calculate what the mass of that many moles of barium sulfate would be. Okay, so first we need to find moles of barium chloride, which means we need the molecular weight of barium chloride. So what is the molecular weight of barium chloride? It's 208.23 grams per mole. How did I figure that out? I took the molecular mass of barium and chlorine and added them together. That's the molecular weight of it's actually, there's two of those. Yeah. Same difference. So how many moles of barium chloride did we have? We had 6.25 grams divided by 208.23 grams. We get 0.03001 mole of barium chloride. And since we know there's one atom of barium in each molecule of barium chloride, there's therefore 1 mole of barium in each mole of barium chloride, which implies that we had 0.03001 mole of just barium. Okay. And so the assumption then is that we should recover 0.3001 moles of barium sulfate. And if we do, how much does that weigh? 0.03001 mole of barium. And then we want, there's 1 mole of barium sulfate for each mole of barium. Okay. And then how many grams of barium sulfate are in a mole of barium sulfate? So we need the molecular weight of barium sulfate, which is 233.38 grams per mole of barium sulfate. Moles cancel, moles cancel, moles cancel, moles cancel, and we're just going to get grams of barium sulfate. And this should be 233, not 333. And I get 7.004 grams of barium sulfate. Now recall that we only have 3 sig figs, so this is actually 7.00 grams of barium sulfate. And now we can do the percent yield, which would be the actual recovered grams, 5.84, over our theoretical yield, 7.00 grams. And then we multiply that by 100 to get a percent. And I get 83.4%.